Your first step. Why certifications are your golden ticket. Starting a court-mandated service is an amazing way to build a business that helps people. You can create a steady income stream while making a real difference in your community. But before you can welcome your first client, you need to lay the right foundation. This foundation starts with one very important thing: certification. Think of your certification as your golden ticket. It is the proof that tells courts, lawyers, and probation officers that you are qualified to do this important work. It shows them that you have the special training needed to teach these classes correctly and safely. Without it, they will not send clients your way. The courts have very specific rules. They need to know that the people they send to your classes are getting the right information. They trust certified providers to follow a curriculum that is proven to work. Your certification shows that you have learned this curriculum. It also shows that you understand the legal and ethical rules that come with this job. It is all about building trust. When a probation officer sees your certificate, they can feel confident that you are a professional who knows what you are doing. This trust is the key to getting referrals. Imagine two people want to start an anger management class. One just puts up a sign. The other gets certified by a recognized organization like the National Association of Court-Approved Treatment Providers. When a judge or probation officer needs to send someone to a class, they will always choose the certified provider. The certification removes all doubt. It makes you the obvious and safe choice for them. Setting up shop. The online classroom advantage. Once you have your certification for your psychoeducation classes, decide where to teach. Two main options: virtual, physical office. Let's focus on virtual. Teach from home, a fantastic way to start. Low costs, profitable faster. No rent, no extra utilities, no extra internet costs. Run your business from a laptop in a spare room. The simplest, most affordable launch. Get a video platform, Zoom or Google Meet. Many have free versions. Client signs up and pays. Add name and email to a spreadsheet. Email them everything they need: the class link, start time, and rules. Teach the material just like in person. After class, email the certificate. Virtual isn't only live classes. Create recorded courses. Recorded courses sucks passive income. Host on Teachable or Kajabi. Clients can buy and watch anytime, day or night. Record once, sell repeatedly. Frees up your time and lets the business grow. Quick success story. Reginald taught from his home office. He used Zoom. One evening he ran a group session. He earned over $800 from that one class. No office, no travel. That showed the power of virtual services. Low risk, high reward, get started fast. Setting up shop, the low-cost physical office. While teaching virtual is great, some people prefer a physical office. Maybe probation officers in your city require an in-person option. You don't need an expensive long-term lease. Start small. One of the best low-cost options is a co-working space, often under $200 a month, with internet, utilities, and even a receptionist. Meeting rooms can be booked by the hour and give you a professional address. Sublease a room from another business, or consider community spaces like churches, libraries, or community centers with low hourly rates. Once you have your main classes set up, you can increase your profits by offering add-on services. Add-on services are a smart way to make more money from each client. They are often high margin. One of the most profitable add-ons, drug testing. Many justice-involved clients are required to take drug tests. Buy 6-panel urine drug tests from a supplier online for about $5 a piece. These tests give results in minutes. Charge $25 to $50 per test. Huge profit margin. Create a professional, private process and clear procedure. Keep a simple log of tests. Provide clients with a printed receipt and formal results document. A few extra steps, but worth it for the profit. Drug testing isn't the only add-on. Private one-on-one counseling, emergency classes, operating a vending machine in your office, reissuing a lost certificate, and makeup classes all add value. Think about client needs and offer low-cost solutions. Each small add-on boosts your bottom line. Whether you choose an online or physical classroom, you need a simple process for running your classes. Having a clear step-by-step flow makes everything easier for you and your clients. Step 1. Sign up and payment. New client calls or finds you online. Get them registered and collect payment before class starts. Step 2. Get them on your schedule. Use Google Calendar or a spreadsheet to build a roster. Send a confirmation email with all details. Step 3. Teaching the class. Follow the curriculum and verify attendance. The final step is issuing the certificate. Fast and accurate makes everyone happy. Now that you are certified by the National Association of Court-Approved Treatment Providers, you have a place to teach. You need to get clients. The most important place to be found today is online. When someone is ordered by a court to take a class, they often search on Google. If your business does not show up in those search results, you are invisible. That is why having a simple website is essential. It is your online storefront and your steady stream of clients. You can build a professional site using AI tools, Wix, WordPress, or hire someone on Fiverr for low cost. Have a clear homepage, separate pages for each service, a pricing page, and easy contact. Use the right keywords for SEO. For example, Los Angeles Batterers Intervention Program, or Court-Ordered Shoplifting Class in Miami. Put your phone number and address at the top of every page. Set up a free Google business profile so you show up on Google Maps with address, phone, hours, and website link. Allow clients to leave reviews for their education courses. Good reviews build trust and drive more calls. A simple website combined with a Google business profile is a marketing machine that works for you 24/7. While a good website is important, a great way to get clients is through referrals. Referrals are when probation officers, defense attorneys, and previous students send clients directly to you. Create simple marketing materials listing your services, prices, contact info, and that you are certified. Do boots-on-the-ground marketing. Visit offices, introduce yourself, and never show up empty-handed. Bring food for probation officers and attorneys. You now have a complete plan to launch your own court-mandated services business. It might feel like a lot to do, but you can achieve it by taking one small step at a time. The path is simple. Follow the roadmap, stay focused, be consistent. First, get certified. Second, keep your startup costs low. Third, start marketing right away. Fourth, run your business like a professional. This plan works. Remember Reginald's $800 class and Miri's $14,000 first month. Your journey starts today with one small action. Pick one service you want to offer and get certified. Take that first step. Get certified, get started, and build the business you have been dreaming of. For coaching, training, and resources, go to privatelabelworkbook.com or visit thediversioncenter.com. The roadmap is clear. Get certified by the National Association of Court-Approved Treatment Providers in different classes. Keep your overhead low, market to probation and defense attorneys, and do the math. You can build a six-figure practice that gives you freedom and financial security. Thanks for listening.